A lot of our retail customers actually start with a customer journey map, and that really defines the experience that they ultimately want to create. Where they often miss is the associated journey map for the sales associate. In order to truly deliver the customer experience, you have to think about the role the sales associate will play in delivering that. So you actually need both to truly achieve the customer experience that you want to deliver.
Yeah, I agree, and I think just adding on to that, I think retailers really need to get a handle on their data. And so they're gathering all this data on the consumer side through touch points online and through touch points physically in the store, and they're capturing it, but they're not doing enough with it to make it relevant into the business. So they need to monetize that data in the business. So I think these two things combined really will help drive that customer journey and experience.